na miss ng madlang people ang ating baby dolls. Kaya isa-isa muna kayong magpakilala ulit.
Yan.
Sige, go!
What's up, madlang people? I'm Baby Doll. What's up, madlang people? I am Baby Doll. Cool. What's up, madlang people? I am Baby Doll Kim. Na-pressure ako. What's up, madlang people? I am Baby Doll. Johaira.
Yun,
Grabe naman yun. What's up, madlang people? I'm Baby Doll Jelly.
Grabe si Jelay.
What's up, madlang people? I am Baby Doll Juby. What's up, madlang people? I am Baby Doll Ina. What's up, madlang people? I'm Baby Doll Ariel.
iba din!
Sandali. May humabol. Go.
Magpakilala ka!
What's up, madlang people? I'm Aling Baby Doll.
Paano yung sayaw?
Aling Baby Doll. Ano kayo, may-ari na tindahan?
Oh, bakit?
Si Aling
Pero,
Baby!
grabe yung ginawa ni Jelay, ah. Oo. Merong wahamon dun.
Sino?
Si Ryan.
Ryan.
Paano ba?
Ito ba yung show?
Paano ba?
Ryan, Rob. Let's go.
Oh, yan.
The warm dance.
Ay,
Ryan
Jelay.
yan. Ginawa ko yung 2010 pa lang. Alam mo, ito yung Ryan Bang!
Siya ang original!
Alam ba?
Ang gwapo ni Ryan!
Ryan, ano yung ginawa mo?
Oh, yung cockroach.
Cockroach.
Oh.
Yan yung buhay pa.
Oo.
Si Jelay natapakan, tapos sa buhay pa.
Ganun.
grabe.
Kaya pala ganun
Dapat
siya.
combination kayo.
Yan! Husay ng baby doll!
Baby Doll!